How to watch Paramount Plus on a Samsung TV. Checking Samsung TV compatibility. Paramount Plus is available on Samsung Smart TVs, 2017 models and newer. To check compatibility, go to Samsung App Store on your TV and search for Paramount Plus. If your TV is older than 2017, you may need a streaming device: Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast. Installing Paramount Plus on a Samsung TV. Step 1. Press the Home button on your Samsung remote. Step 2. Navigate to Apps and select the Samsung App Store. Step 3. Search for Paramount Plus in the App Store. Step 4. Click Install and wait for the app to download. Step 5. Open the Paramount Plus app, sign in, and start streaming. Signing into Paramount Plus on Samsung TV. Option 1. Sign in with credentials. Open the Paramount Plus app and select Sign In. Enter your email and password for your Paramount Plus account. Option 2. Sign in with an activation code. Open the Paramount Plus app and select Sign in with a code. Visit paramountplus.com/SamsungTV on a web browser. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV. Troubleshooting issues with Paramount Plus on Samsung TV. App not found. Ensure your TV is a 2017 or newer model. If it's unsupported, use a streaming device. App won't open, restart your TV by unplugging it for 30 seconds and trying again. Streaming issues. Check your Wi-Fi connection, clear the app cache, or reinstall the app. Login problems. Reset your Paramount Plus password via the official website. Alternative ways to watch Paramount Plus on an older Samsung TV. Use a streaming device. Connect Roku, Fire TV Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast to your TV. Screen mirroring. Cast from a mobile device using AirPlay, Apple, or SmartView, Samsung. Gaming consoles. If you have Xbox or PlayStation, install Paramount Plus on the console. Best viewing experience on Samsung TVs. Enable 4K and HDR settings if supported on your TV model. Use a high-speed internet connection for smooth streaming. Update your Samsung TV firmware for better app performance. Paramount Plus is easily accessible on Samsung Smart TVs from 2017 onward, offering movies, TV shows, and live sports. If your TV is older, using a streaming device is the best alternative.